Hello, welcome to King's Design Engineering. I'm your host, Kingsley Mofo, a certified Solidworks professional on WorldMet. Today we are going to be doing part creation and modification using Solidworks equation. Okay, now we are going to be creating a piece, something like this, using SolidWorks equations. Now, what are the benefits? What are the advantages of using SolidWorks equation? Firstly, we have easy modification of the part, lesser time needed for the modification of the part. Now, how is that being done? A SolidWorks, new part, okay. Now, normally the equations are usually activated at this left hand corner. I don't have it here. We're going to activate that. We'll come on part, right click, hidden tree items, equations, show file properties. Now we are going to take right click, manage equations. Now we have here A, which is equal to 800 millimeters, B 500 millimeters. So we are going to give global values A 800 millimeters, B 500 millimeters, 500 millimeters. I'm gonna click on OK. Now my equations are already set. Let me modify the units. I take on millimeters, number of decimal points, none. Okay. We're going to create a basic sketch to be able to generate this. Okay, so we're going to go on WordMet, 3D sketch, corner rectangle. Tap on the tab key to make sure my sketch is on the ZX plane. Okay, select. Now I'm going to smart dimension. This was B. I'm going to click to give the global values to allocate them to our sketch. Now I'm just going to press on equal to global values B. Okay. Equal to global values A. Equal to. Okay. Now these are our global values already allocated. I'm gonna exit the sketch. I'm gonna allocate on a structure member. I want to give them profile. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a rectangle. I'm going to validate. Okay, now we have created our piece using basic equations. Now let's take, for instance, we have a problem with the dimensions. Let me say we want to change the dimensions now. Let's say instead of A being 80, we want A to be 1000. Okay, and we want B to be 600. To do that, how are we going to do? We just need to simply come on equation, we right click, manage global values. We're going to take A here now is going to be 1000. B is going to be 600. And we validate. You realize that automatically the shape and the size of the piece changes. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.